Guys, did the hedge funds literally just guarantee the squeeze? Well, to understand the logic behind that, we have to go back to a point that we've looked at before. We're going to be doing that in this video. We're going to be looking at why that could be the case. So if it sounds good, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. But remember, as always, this is not financial advice. Again, if you can share the video, please do. But now we're going to jump in. So coming back over here to this that we have looked at before. I am going to acknowledge that we have seen it before, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. But this is an important piece of context to understand what we are talking about, and speak about how hedge funds oppose the SEC's reform plans after the GameStop debacle. And to sum things up very quickly, let's talk about how they took big losses back in January 21. Of course, like I said, we've already spoken about this, somewhat out of business. Going down a bit further, we can see a lot of volatility came into the market, and right now, what the SEC chair Gary Gensler wants to do is bring securities lending out of the dark. They've proposed extensive reforms to securities lending agreements, which will allow hedge funds to pay a fee to borrow stocks and bonds in order to bet that an asset will fall in value, as we know is short selling. Lenders will together pay about $375 million in initial costs and $140 million afterwards to comply with the reporting requirements from the SEC. But the SEC is going further than that, and they have caused a lot of opposition from the hedge funds, etc. And we can see why if we scroll down. So it speaks about this. It's talking about how Jennifer Han has said, who is the head of regulatory affairs, by the way, has said that this represents a misguided mentality, from the SEC at least, and this could cause more meme stock style volatility based stocks, leading to similar incidents like GameStop. And of course, Han said that the MFA was strongly concerned that the other market participants would be able to reconstruct and reverse engineer a hedge fund's trading strategy if the SEC insisted on highly detailed reporting of securities lending transactions. Now, like I said, we've looked at this before, so I'm not going to waste any more of your time by going over it in detail. But that is the most important lines that we're seeing here, because it ties in kind of to what we're seeing very recently with the new transparency rules coming out from the SEC. So the question is, what does it mean for us? What does it mean for the potential of the MOAS? Did the SEC just confirm it? Because like it just said, it definitely could lead to some quote-unquote problems, as they have worded it, for certain hedge funds and institutions if they get their programs reverse engineered against them. But really, again, like I've said before, that is, in my opinion, a problem for them to deal with, because if their strategy is unable to cope with the legitimate practices that we want to see, what does that say about their strategy? But right now, like I said, with these things actually coming out of the dark right now, what does it mean? Does it mean we're actually coming into a place where we are ready for the AMC squeeze? Is this just been confirmed? What do you think? Drop me a comment down below. Do you think this is a big thing? I want to hear what you have to say. Again, it's only been a short video, but that is it for today. I'll be back with you guys tomorrow for more content, so do join us for that, and see you soon. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.